Paint from Life at the Beach, Part 2. So I thought I'd try to paint some of these people that were around, and started with the girl looking at her phone that was in my proximity. And well, she kept moving around, and I sort of followed the movement with, I guess when she moved her legs like that, I thought that would be a little bit easier or recognizable as a person. And then I thought, let me try to paint my granddaughter in the, upper left there, and maybe there'll be more perspective or depth in the painting. Try to hint at what the water looks like, the sand, and, well, it's a representation, not exactly hyperrealism. And it came out okay. Second try painting at the beach. And so now I got two paintings from this visit. There's the one of people, and that other one was two swimmers out in the ocean.